Hey you guys, thank you for visiting ours today at Christopher Anthony Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Just wanted to share with you the Indonesian straight bundles, how they look. There's your weft. There's your hair pattern. Has a little bump to it, a little S pattern, but this is their straight hair. It flat irons very nicely, so if you want a bone straight, you can get it there. So this is just washed and conditioned. I didn't blow dry it or anything, just let it air dry, and this is what the pattern looks like. So yeah, try it out. We love our Indonesian hair. Very natural. I want to share this Indonesian frontal. Natural straight hair. This hair is beautiful. Look how silky it is. It's gorgeous. You guys, y'all are sleeping on this Indonesian hair. It's beautiful. It looks so natural on our hair. Lovely. I'm trying to see what inches this is. This is 22. 22 inches. That's your frontal. This is one of our Indonesian closures. They're 5x5, a nice size closure. This is the straight hair. Just took this out the pack from the vendor. Have not washed this hair yet, but just wanted to show you it in its natural state. Then what I do is I comb it through, I wash it. The Indonesian closures are thick at the roots, so you're gonna have to do a little pluck in there in the hairline if you choose to. So they take, one customer told me it took her stylist a little more work because it is a lot of hair at this root. So if you guys can see, I'm still parting. It's a lot of hair, so let me try to part it so you guys can see. And that's your lace back there. You can see I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys to see my finger. So once it lays on your skin, it's going to look really pretty and really natural. I don't like to bleach my knots because anytime you add a chemical, it starts to deteriorate, break the hair down. So then you might find yourself having, shedding, and you think it's the product, but it's because you added a chemical to the knots, so to your roots. So just, put a little makeup on the back, or just wherever you think you're going to wear the part, just put a little makeup there too. I think it's just safer and you won't damage your hair. So yeah, so this is our Indonesian straight. Oh, so thick and fluffy. I wish you guys could feel this hair. Love it, love it, love it.